Good morning. I would say good morning, but I'm posting this at like 8 o'clock. So good evening, guys. I'm just waiting for my computer to boot up so I can edit a video for my main channel. You guys are wondering probably why it says DD15. Well, back when I started my YouTube channel, I had a discount code with Mudjug, and the discount code was DD15. So when I bought this computer for my friend, that's what he named it. But yeah. Today, we are going to be editing this video up, going over to Paradox's house because I don't have internet here yet. We're waiting on the modem to show up. We're going to go over there, upload these videos. Then I'm also going to work on his shed. I'm going to grind down that concrete so the doors can swing open. We got one side down, I just have to smooth it out. And then I have to grind down the other side so the other door can open up. And he's actually at work. He went back to work today. He won't be there until like 7 o'clock. So he's not going to be there when I show up. So I'm going to go and do that for him, finish that up so we can actually get the doors fully open. The shed's pretty much almost done. We all have to do is put up some soffit for an air vent so the roof doesn't look bad. Doesn't look like there's just open studs, and then we have to put in some rafter ties. We'll do that another day when he's actually there, because it's his shed and he asked me to just to do the concrete tomorrow, which is today. So we're gonna do that. House is still a freaking mess. If you guys missed the house tour, kind of a house tour, it was a really short 6-minute video. If you guys haven't seen that, my last video, go check it out, link down below. And my computer's finally booting up. But I'm gonna go ahead and start editing this video. And me and my girlfriend may go to Lowe's, so you guys will see some of that. And then we'll head over to his house and upload this video. And then start doing some shit. It's already 12:30, so we're getting kind of a late start. But yeah, I thought I'd take you guys along for today, and you guys can see what it's like living here in Alabama for me. So I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned. Leave a like on the video if you guys do enjoy it. Subscribe if you guys are new, and we'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. What's going on, guys? I'm here at Paradox's house, and I just started grinding down this concrete slab to get the door to open, which it would have been fine if the people that poured that concrete slab over there for the patio didn't put this ramp here. They weren't supposed to, but they had extra concrete, so they put it right there, and then made it so the doors, we didn't have the doors up yet when they put it on there, but it made it so that the doors couldn't open. This one I got pretty much grinded down perfectly, or not perfectly, I still have to smooth it all out, but it opens up, and that's what it looks like before I have to smooth it out. And this size is a lot worse because this door's shorter, because that door closes onto this door to make it not have a gap in between the doors. And yeah, I'm starting to do it, and I need to get a new cement cut wheel. This one's all ground down, so I guess I'm just going to switch to the masonry cutoff wheel, and then just smooth out this side. And then when Caleb gets home, he'll go and buy another bit, or not a bit, but a wheel to finish the rest of this. This one's starting to open up, as you can see, but I just need to keep grinding in this part right here so that door is able to open up all the way. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Just got to smooth it out, like I said. And yeah, that's what we're doing. We went to Lowe's for no reason, because my girlfriend couldn't figure out what she wanted. We went home for a little bit, and then came out here. So this is what I'm working on. I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit after I get done smoothing some of this out. Caleb should be home in like hour and a half, so we'll see him shortly. But I'm gonna get working on this, and hopefully I can smooth this out to look pretty good and not the way that it looks right now. Oh, I got about 2 minutes into that, and this one already needs a new masonry wheel. This one's already shredded, but it's starting to look a lot better than it did before. All you gotta do is smooth out the high parts and then blend it in with the rest of the ramp. And if I get a new bit, I keep saying bit, but if I get a new wheel, this part's pretty smooth. The only thing that's gonna look bad is they're gonna see rocks right here and not over here. But you just gotta smooth out transition from, you can see right here how it looks pretty big. All this needs to be smoothed out into the rest of this down at an angle. Yeah, it's really dusty over here. This mask is kind of working. I can still taste a little bit of concrete dust in my mouth, but it's the only mask I got. See, the shed's all filled up with dust. I'm gonna get this blower out. As Caleb says when he got this Cobalt, he said it'll blow your nuts off. Or blow your dick off or something like that. But this thing is actually pretty powerful for a electric blower. I'm gonna get doing this and see what it looks like. Power through, baby. God damn, look at that. I think the kids are inside. I don't want them breathing that shit in. Yeah, so I can't really do much until he gets here. But it's looking a lot better. Looking definitely a lot better once I blend this in. Especially this part, blend it in. It should look good. This is gonna be really tough. But, yeah. Probably gonna go inside and chill out because there's not much I can do. But, if you guys are enjoying these vlog type videos, leave a like down below, subscribe if you guys are new. Leaving a like will let me know that you guys are enjoying these and you guys want more of them. So yeah, just leave a like down below, leave a comment if you want, and I'll keep making these for you guys. A little, day in the life, little vlog type shit that's not, diesel content related. If you guys are interested in what I do when I'm not making videos, it's the perfect place, so subscribe. We'll come back later when Caleb gets home.
We gotta break down the accessories and stuff on them. We gotta roast them a little bit, and at the end of each one, we gotta give them a name. Have you ever been good at creatively naming stuff, like, say, cows or ranches or...
I give your mom some nicknames every time I hang out.
These dudes are funny, man.
First picture.
Ooh,
Dude.
dang.
Is this Photoshop?
Hey!
Is that yours?
It looks like my Texas edition Defender, but that's gotta be Photoshopped.
Yeah, first of all, I
not
see a couple of things that are obviously
Look
wrong
at
in
that,
this picture.
Paradox.
A, that Ford is on a
Yeah, you got
trailer.
posted
I
on
know
Can-Am.
that Ford is not broke down. B,
So I know that
why is
Ford
there
is not
mud
dead.
flaps on the front side of the tires on that trailer? Have you ever seen mud flaps on the front?
Looking at it
That is
right
a
now.
really good point. I've not.
I thought the same thing when I bought it. I guess it's some DOT requirement. Gator sets you up for all 50 states or some crazy, probably California. It's probably, I don't know. Some state requires front mud flaps. It's a CDL trailer. I got my Class A CDL.
14-foot bumper pull. I pulled it with one of the new 6-foot beds.
Yeah, well, yeah.
It had Boone in the trailer. Had a horse in it.
Well, I don't want to play too much because I don't want to get copyrighted.
Yeah, but it's pretty cool.
But yeah,
S3 Power Sports picked it up too. They just posted it.
Come up with a name for this one. So, for me, I mean, it's pretty freaking obvious.
Okay, I'm gonna let you because it's not obvious for me.
He doesn't know what's
So
in
for me,
there.
you've got the feed bucky. Naturally, you fill it up with feed and haul it around. This thing's set up for towing. For me, this is just the tow buggy.
Toe buggy.
Toe buggy.
Toe buggy.